Hello, friend. If you are also thinking that the pin pattern finger face in my phone should be unlocked somehow, then this video will prove the to very effective for you. So you have to do nothing. I am telling you some simple steps. You have to just follow with me, and you can remove your pin pattern sitting at home. So let's get ready to unlock your phone. First, put your phone is in flight mode, so make sure your phone have to in flight mode because this is offline method without help of any computer or without help of any FRP process. So you can see that your phone is charged minimum 50 to 50 40 to 50%. So my handset is charged above 80%, so this is fine. So now, as you can see the bottom on the screen, you can see emergency calls button here. So which we have to press on it, and after this, I'm going to tell you a code. You can see this is a unlocking code, and which is very important for all the viewers, so which have who have any Android phone like Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Samsung, Poco, Xiaomi, anything. So you have to press on it, and I'm going to share you some codes. Just apply this code and unlock your handset within minute at sitting at home without help of any service center. So this code is very simple. A star has, now you can see I'm going to share zoom. So a star has 9884878 and hash. After hash you have to press here. Now you can note down or you can take a screenshot, and please press your call button. You can see call field option is coming, no issue. Minimum 5 times you have to press call button. After completing this, please press erase all the numbers code, and now apply. This is most important code you can see on my all the videos. A star has 899 and hash, and this is engineer mode page. And after press the hash, you can see engineer mode page is open, and there are lots of option is coming. So after sales device calibration is the second row, second last option. So please press confirm OK, and please press software version. And now you can see Android version. My Android version is 12. Similarly, your Android version like 10, 9, 8, something, anything. So please press here 12 time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. After completing this, please press manual test button and go the device debugging page. And there are also so many options, so you have to take care. Please press proximity sensor test only. So now there are three options, so please press proximity calibration. Please confirm here, and now it's time to click on sensor self test and calibration. There are two options is also coming, gyroscope and accelerometer, and both are not operated, operation not started. So we have to press one both them on both the option at the same time, and we have which we have to pass one, at least one we have to pass. So apply this method 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, no issue. You have to apply till passed. Again we have to press till passed. So apply this method again and again. So now finally text passed is coming. So now come back from here, and the last option is last the process is other option. After swiping the last others option is coming, there are 4 5 option is there. So now you can press here cancel button, rewrite important log test, and third time please press your OK button, and your handset, your pin pattern are already reset. Now you can see through the key status, already all have passed. Now you can see passed. After completing all this process, now it's time to, after completing all the process, that our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button and see whether our phone is unlocked or not. So friend, as you can see, friend, phone is unlocked without help of any computers, without loss of any data or application. So I hope you like this video. Then you will see you in the next video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.